Essendon terminal information Charlie, runway 17. Aerodrome beacon unserviceable as per OTAM. Multiple helicopters operating between Westgate Bridge and Flemington Racecourse below 1,000 feet. Wind 180 degrees 10 knots. Cav OK. Temperature 21. QNH 1014. On first contact with Essendon, ground, tower or Melbourne approach, notify receipt of Charlie.
Essendon Tower, Whiskey Delta Alpha ready.
Whiskey Delta Alpha, line up runway 17.
Line up 17, Whiskey Delta Alpha. Takeoff can be off, you select above, mixture full rig, but at above, you cockpit check.
Hems 1, when ready, cleared visual approach to the Royal Melbourne and report on the ground.
Clear visual approach Royal Melbourne, Wilco, Hems 1.
Essendon ground, Papa India Alpha.
Papa India Alpha, Essendon ground.
Papa India Alpha requesting taxi for Rabin. Information Charlie.
Papa India Alpha, taxi to holding point Tango runway 17.
Holding point Tango runway 17, Papa India Alpha.
Whiskey Delta Alpha, runway 17, clear for takeoff.
Runway 17, clear for takeoff, Whiskey Delta Alpha. Okay.
Delta Alpha and Papa India Alpha, new information, Delta QNH 1013.
1013, Whiskey Delta Alpha.
013, Papa India Alpha.
Kilo X-ray, just getting airborne out of Flemington this time. Request to operate on above 1,500.
Kilo X-ray, operate overhead of Flemington, not above 1,500.
Request to operate overhead Flemington, not above 1,500. Kilo X-ray.
Whiskey Delta Alpha, control service terminated.
Whiskey Delta Alpha, thank you. Avalon approach Cessna 172, Whiskey Delta Alpha at Werribee Racecourse, 2,500, will be overflying the field, checking Torquay.
Fish Delta Alpha, Voltage, QNH 1014.
1014, Whiskey Delta Alpha.
Delta Alpha, Cessna A320 is going to be defining runway 18 in about a minute. If you can track off the field to remain clear.
Whiskey Delta 1, tracking the Turkey now.
Plus 463, send to 5000.
5000 plus 463.
Turkey traffic Cessna 172, Whiskey Delta Alpha, hold the fuel at 2500, tracking southwest coastal. Turkey.
Trying to get up that great big hill of hope for a destination. I realized quickly when I knew I should that the world was made up of this brotherhood of man, or whatever that means. Into a crisis times when I'm lying in bed just to get it all out. What's in my head, and I am feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream from the top of my lungs. time to get up that great big hill of hope for a destination.
Don't stop your crying, it will be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. For one so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. You'll be in my heart. No matter what they say, you'll be here in my heart. Always. Why can't they understand the way we feel? They just don't trust what they can't explain. I know we're different, but deep inside us, we're not that different at all. And you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Don't listen to them, 'cause what do they know? We need each other to have to hold. They'll see in time. I know. When destiny calls you, you must be strong. I may not be with you, but you got to hold on. They'll see in time. I know. We'll show them together, 'cause you'll be in my heart. Believe me, you'll
Peterborough traffic Cessna 172 Whiskey Delta Alpha.
I'll be there.
Over the fuel at 2,500. Taking north east for Coastline, Peterborough.
Ooh, you'll be in my heart. You'll be here in my heart. They say I'll be with you. Be here in my heart. I'll be there always. Always. I'll be with you. But I'll be there for you always. Always and always. Just look over your shoulder.
Leopard traffic Cessna 172 Whiskey Delta Alpha 10 miles to the southwest at 3,500. Will be overflying the field for bucket mass. Leopard. Bucket smart traffic Cessna 172 Whiskey Delta Alpha, upwind departure from 09, climbing to 1500, tracking Williamstown. Buckets. Accident Tower Whiskey Delta Alpha Cessna 172, approaching Williamstown 1500, receive Delta, request airway clearance.
Whiskey Delta Alpha Tower standby.
Whiskey Delta Alpha.
Delta Alpha cleared Westgate Bridge, Mooney Valley Race Course, Essendon. Maintain 1500.
Clear Westgate Bridge, Mooney Valley Race Course, Essendon, 1500, Whiskey Delta Alpha.
Whiskey Delta Alpha at Mooney Valley Race Course. Make a right turn, join a left downwind or change of runway 26, continue downwind until advised.
Turn right, joining left downwind for 26, continue until advised, Whiskey Delta Alpha.
Whiskey Delta Alpha, traffic is a Challenger on a 6-mile final runway 26, report in sight.
Looking for traffic, Whiskey Delta Alpha.
Car 1, vacate runway 26.
Car 1.
Whiskey Delta Alpha, I've got the traffic.
Whiskey Delta Alpha, when ready, make a base turn to follow the Challenger.
Follow the Challenger, Whiskey Delta Alpha.
Whiskey Delta Alpha, cleared visual approach.
Clear visual approach, Whiskey Delta Alpha.
Yeah, car 1 is located on runway 26.
Car 1. Sierra Charlie Romeo, runway 26, clear to land.
126. We're vacating in the end.
Sierra Charlie Romeo, roll for approved.
Cessna ground 0, Charlie Romeo, hotel for the 7 meter. Here, Charlie Romeo, ground taxi to parking. Charlie Romeo. Okay, let's go off runway 26, clear lane.
26, clear to lane, Whiskey Delta Alpha. Whiskey Delta Alpha, request roll through.
Roll through approved.
Roll through to Hotel Whiskey Delta Alpha.
Eurobank traffic helicopter Whiskey Victor Victor AC-130. We're set to the northeast, northwest end of Elm Park Lake, inbound for Batman Park.
That's on Eastern Tower Frequency.
Government House.